Some debts can't be paid with prayers or money, only with accountability. No amount of help, prayer, or money can save a person from paying for their crimes. You ever notice how no matter how much you try to help someone, it feels like their life keeps getting worse? It's like they are stuck in a cycle of chaos, no matter how much you invest in them. That's because there is something deeper at play. Sometimes the universe or God doesn't let you escape the consequences of your actions. When someone has done wickedness, no amount of good intentions can erase the debts they owe. You can pray, you can give, you can try, but until they face the truth and ask God for forgiveness, nothing is going to change. Life will keep pushing them until they confront their own wrongs. Some debts, they can only be paid with accountability.